Hello, today we're going to walk through preparing a schedule of cash receipts. Okay, this problem gives you how much the cash sales and the sales on account are for each of the months, and then it gives information about collections on sales on account, because you're going to need to know that to see how much they collect later. Okay, so we've got cash sales, sales on account, total budgeted sales. Cash receipts, current cash sales. Okay? Cash sales are cash receipts. So the current cash sales are going to be the same amounts as the cash sales for the 3 months that are given. So 100,000, 80,000, 90,000. Then it says the company had accounts receivable of 155,000 on April 1st. So at the end of the month before this quarter started. They normally collect 100% of accounts receivable in the month following the month of sale. So that means the 155,000 accounts receivable from April will be collected, or from at the beginning of April, will be collected in April. 100% of the sales on account from April will be collected in May. The sales on account from May will be collected in June. Okay, so we're going to fill in those amounts, and that's all there is to doing a schedule of cash receipts. Thank you.